message to their communities. Franklin Graham says the Billy Graham Evangelistic Association and his Samaritan's Purse ministry were targeted in the IRS harassment of conservative groups. Graham says the organizations were notified in September the agency was looking into their activities for the year 2010.
That's right. The IRS scandal is now a criminal investigation. The Justice Department is looking into possible law breaking at the Internal Revenue Service, and the FBI is stepping in to investigate. The stakes are getting higher in the IRS scandal, now reaching possible criminal conduct. A new agency watchdog report blames ineffective management for allowing agents to target conservative groups for more than 18 months. The report says agents were overly aggressive with more than half the targeted groups. It calls the information they asked for irrelevant and unnecessary.
For them to target and profile organizations and individuals based on ideology should scare everyone.
The FBI and the Justice Department are working together on the case. Tuesday, U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder announced a criminal investigation.
We are examining the facts to see if there were criminal violations.
Investigators will look into whether the IRS illegally engaged in partisan politics and whether they violated the civil rights of Tea Party and conservative groups by singling them out for extra review.
It suggests to me that there's a culture of rottenness. We're going to get to the bottom of this.
In a statement, President Obama called the watchdog report findings intolerable and inexcusable. He went on to say the IRS must apply the law in a fair and impartial way, and its employees must act with utmost integrity. This report shows that some of its employees failed that test. Still, the IRS continues to offer excuses for its behavior. Officials say that while some inappropriate shortcuts were used, determining if organizations are engaging in a legally permissible level of political activity is required by law. And they even blame some of the conservative groups, saying that their applications were too vague. Now, the Justice Department's investigation into the IRS could lead to jail time if anyone is convicted. The maximum penalty for violating the civil rights statute is 10 years in prison.